So today I'm here with Aisha at the factory, which is one of the coolest outdoor gyms I've ever seen in my life. It's located in the Paradise Coast Sports Complex. Aisha here has been running the front desk and she runs the whole facility here. And she's gonna show us around the gym here, or I guess you can call it a gym, right? That's what you would call it.
Yeah, outdoor gym.
An outdoor gym, and she's gonna show us some of the coolest workouts you could ever imagine. Now, if you guys wanna spice up your routine, you're definitely gonna wanna check this place out. And I'm pretty excited because she's gonna put me through a grueling workout. So come on guys, let's get started right now.
All right, so we're gonna start out with the incline ramp, and I'm gonna have him do the rope pull up because the ramp is a little bit slippery in the mornings. There you go. There you go. Now with those stairs, you can also work out your calves on them. Coming down, you'll just walk down with your tippy toes.
Oh, okay.
Just in case anybody wants to.
ballerina.
Yeah, like a ballerina. All right, so now we're gonna move over to these sleds.
Does it matter how we put it on here?
Nope, you can set it on the front or in the back loaded. I'm going to grab a band because instead of having you just pull it back, we're gonna get some back workout in there, yanking it back.
Are you really gonna make me work out?
Yeah, I'm really gonna make you work out.
That's just for the camera.
No, you just wanted this, so why not get a workout in? Get you sweating. So you're gonna squat, pull.
Yeah, a few times I've been here, I never leave with a dry shirt.
No, you don't.
You never leave.
I've seen that.
Yeah.
You're drenched. And now that it is summertime,
Oh, it's even better.
it's even better.
But this is the best time of day to be here.
Yeah, so people tend to come in a little bit earlier
Uh-huh.
in the mornings. Once that sun starts rising, it's hot.
It gets pretty rough.
Yeah, it is. I mean, we do have fans underneath the pavilion that keeps it a bit cool in there, but if you're working out on this course, you're getting a suntan and you're sweating and you're working all
You
your
can
muscles.
take your shirt off and get a suntan. Look at that.
Yeah, you can take
If
your
you're a
shirt
guy.
off in here. Yeah, if you're a guy. Ladies, keep the shirts on. So our hours for our summer are going to be 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then we'll reopen 4 to 8 p.m. That's Monday through Friday. And then Saturdays and Sundays are 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. We close in the middle of the day because it is the hottest part of the day. And here in Florida, you never know with the weather. It's gonna rain, thunder, lightning. Now we have these machines such as, we have a row machine, which we're gonna put you on this, and then a lat machine and a squat rack. We'll do this first. If you wanna load it with a tent, do one arm at a time. Yep, single arm at a time. Yeah, so that's not much weight, but it feels heavier than a normal 20-pound dumbbell that you're gonna row with. Now this one, if I can do a 10-kilogram plate, I'm thinking you could do 20
All right.
on each side.
Oh, you give me a lot of credit. Nice.
There you go.
That's a good pump right there.
Yeah. So if you bring down, hold, and then go back up. And you can stand with one foot in the front, however you feel comfortable. Yep, step up.
That's a good pump.
We also have rope pulleys back here, tension rope pulleys. We'll put you on 3. Okay. All right, so what you're gonna do is stand and pull down. This is gonna work your back, traps, biceps, all of it. Yep. Now you can also bend while you're pulling too. That's gonna help your back. Yep. And you do this as long as your arms can take.
10 seconds later.
Now this is gonna work out your back, biceps, basically your whole entire upper body. It is intense. I'm gonna grab some chalk for you, okay?
This is before. Let's see after.
So it is all about technique. You're always gonna come down and you'll start at this ring because it's gonna be the lowest point. You're gonna run, or get a running start, I should say. And you're gonna yank back, swing your legs. There's a big spider on that one. It's a bit slippery. And, oh. Okay. And you're usually gonna finish. I find it a lot of fun. It's different. And I will tell you one thing. The next day when I woke up and I went to go stretch my arms, I was so sore. I go, oh, that's not happening today. And I put my arms back down.
Let's see. Wish me luck, guys.
Good luck. There you go. Now pull back. Yep. You got it. There you go. Pull back.
Whoa.
There you go.
I feel like Tarzan. Now I feel like one of those guys on American Ninja Warrior.
You probably lost your momentum.
Yeah.
You'll have to start over. Let me get that.
Round 2, fight.
There you go. There you go. I'm thinking you're gonna get down to the end. We'll see. Look at that. 2 more.
Wow, I can't believe I did that.
You did it!
I thought I would never be able to do that. Here's the after.
So we'll go ahead and use these tires today. All right, so you do have a 176 pound and then 265 pounds. Which one are you feeling?
I like this.
That one, perfect.
Now, do you need gloves for this, or this could be done?
This could be done barehanded.
What about girls with nails?
Oh, I do them with nails.
Yeah, okay. So no excuses, ladies.
Yeah, no excuses.
You jump into the...
You jump in and then jump out. And then turn around and flip. And then do the same thing. There you go. For the minimum age, they have to be 13 to 17 with parental or guardian supervision in here, and then 18 up. Our memberships, we do a daily pass for $8 a day. The monthly is going to be $25, and then the annual will be $200. Okay. If you did want to do the full course and time yourself, you're going to start at that lowest point ring. You're going to work your way down. All right.
Is that a challenge?
That's a challenge.
Are we going to do that?
Are you going to do it?
What do you guys think? Should we do that today? Give a video a thumbs up if you want us to do it. If not, if you don't give a thumbs up, we're going to end the video right now. All right, so I guess we're going to try it. We're going to have to try it.
You're going to have to try it?
Yeah, we're going to have to. Well, I already did the rings.
You already did the rings.
I got the credit for that.
Yep.
So we'll come back this way and...
There you go. And you can move to the side too so that you're closer to your next rope as well.
So easy, guys.
No, because it moves. Okay. It's the whole challenge is it turns you. You're just challenging yourself even more. All right, now your dual grips. You're gonna grab one at a time. You can grab the first one with 2 hands, and then you're gonna move over, single hand. Yep. There you go. There you go. Yeah, that's very tough. Yep. There you go. There you go. Done. Now you flip a tire. There you go. Then around that pole on the outside, come back in this side. Go back around. And you can also run through these poles. Now get up top, grab that bar, swing a leg over. There you go. Now grab a hold of that rope. Yep, perfect. Okay. Yep. There you go, Lewis. Those. Go. Easy would be under those.
No, I know that.
There you go.
We'll try this at home. Come to the factory.
Absolutely. Love to have you. Great. And you finished the course.
Exactly.
High five. Yes, so we are in Naples. If you go down Citygate Boulevard, we're right off of 951, just north of 75 exit.
Exit 101 on 75.
Yes.
Can't miss it. This place is incredible, beautiful. If you've got active family members or kids, if you've got beautiful turf, soccer fields, football fields, rock climbing wall, this whole facility we just showed you.
Yep, right behind this concrete wall is going to be a rock climbing wall. We have sport tournaments almost every weekend.
Yeah.
Soccer, football, lacrosse, rugby as well. We do have more fields going in, about 5 more football fields. We've got baseball diamonds, softball diamonds going in as well. So we're still building, expanding. We're also going to have a resort right over here. We have the Cove, which is going to be a beer, wine, Gatorade, Powerade, water bar, and we bring in food trucks almost every weekend.
It's like a social gathering.
Yep, social gathering. And when our winters come along, we do have fire pits over there too.
You guys have the football games televised on the Jumbotron.
Yep, football games televised on Jumbotron, and as well as cornhole, ping pong tables. We have tech ball tables over here too. So it's a great facility. 0.78 of a mile walk around a lake that is absolutely gorgeous.
You guys have any barf bags?
Barf bags? No, unfortunately not. But don't barf on my turf.
So if you guys are new to Naples or thinking about moving down here and you're into the active lifestyle, you're definitely going to want to check out the factory and come see my girl Aisha here. Also, if you guys are thinking of buying a house down here, you go ahead and use the link down below. And if you guys want to learn more about how to work with us as a real estate agent, go ahead and also use the other link down below because we're always looking for new talent. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos from us, go ahead and click one of those videos right now before I pass out. I'll see you in just a few seconds. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I will see you next time.
Thank you.